What's up, everybody? Want to do another video. My Aprakovich or Akopovic, whatever you want to call it, is on my workbench. Do you know why? Because after 11 weeks, I finally got my SE project. So there it is. Beautiful. Got the rear sets on. Light-Tech rear sets, Type R's. SC project. This is the S1 low mount. So the other S1 comes out to about there, and this one here is obviously a lot shorter. Now, a lot of you guys are asking about the license plate, how I posted up my license plate on the back tail. So I'm going to show you that really quick, and then I'm going to turn on the bike. So the way you do it is, let's say this is the license plate. What you do is you get an alcohol prep pad. You can get this anywhere, Target, Walmart, wherever. And what you want to do is you want to clean the license plate. So let's say this is a license plate. You want to clean the license plate on all the edges, okay, everywhere. And then go to Lowe's or Home Depot and get Velcro brand. You want the Extreme Outdoor, and you want it to say holds up to 15 pounds. That's important because when you're going really fast on the bike, you obviously want your plate to stay on. So what I do is I just grab the fuzzy side, right, the soft side, and I actually mount that on the license plate. And what I do is I go along the edges. So I'll cut it to fit, and I just go all on the edges. That's all I do. So you basically just want to complete all the edges. And then the actual hard side, right, with the teeth, you want to actually put that on the actual bike. And the reason why is because once you have the plate, you can kind of move it up and down a little bit and get to really dig in there. So wipe the area that you're actually going to place it, and also wipe the license plate, and it will hold firmly. I did 185 miles per hour on my bike last week, and it stays on. It stayed on my Suzuki. It stayed on my Aprilias. It's always has stayed on. So I'm going to go inside, get the key, and we're going to turn on the SE project. Alright guys, so there you have it. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe. I will be making some more videos. And I will make one of me riding the bike here real shortly. Alright guys, take care. See ya.